Hello everyone, this is Tony with TerraSky, and today we're going to show you how to get SkyVisualEditor up and running in your environment. First thing you need to do is go to the App Exchange, search for SkyVisualEditor or TerraSky, download the SkyVisualEditor app into your Salesforce environment. As you can see, I already have the application installed, so the next thing I need to do is go to SkyVisualEditor.com and create a design studio. Once you've actually logged in with your account information, you'll be presented with this home screen. In the top left, you can click the Open Design Studio button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter in your Salesforce account information. This is going to be some Salesforce administrator or developer who has access to the platform that you just installed our app into. So let me go ahead and log into that at work. Now, if you notice, I'm not typing in a security token. This is because I have whitelisted the IP address for SkyVisualEditor. Next, go to File, Load Page Layout, select the object you'd like to work with, select the record type that you'd like to work with, and then click the Open button. There are many other ways of making pages with SkyVisualEditor, but we'll just go through a basic, quick way to get a page set up and created. The basic layout of the canvas is that the far left-hand side of the screen is the components that you drag onto the Visualforce page to make changes. The far right-hand side is the property panel to toggle the various attributes of the different things you select. And the center of the screen is the Visualforce page that you make. So I'm going to make a couple of fast edits here just to show you what this is like. We'll increase this to a 3-column view at the top of the screen. We will also go ahead and change the color setting for a couple of sections. Again, just to show you some basic changes on the component palette. Now, if you'd like a more in-depth view, I know I'm going fast on this. This is simply to get a page created and show some differences. We have other videos that will show you a little more in-depth and at a slower pace on how to get some of this done. Now, once you've made a couple of rapid changes to the page, the next thing you need to do is deploy it into your environment. You can either go to File, Deploy, or click the Deploy button at the top of the screen. Once you do that, it's going to ask whether it's a sandbox developer environment for testing or if it's a production environment. I'm using a developer, so I'm going to leave it as test. Now it's going to create the Visualforce page, the Apex code, and the test coverage code for the Apex controller. And it's going to prompt you whenever it's fully deployed into your environment with a little open button that will take you directly to that Visualforce page that we have just created. Now, I didn't change the naming convention for the Visualforce page with the Apex code. You can do that, so it's something a little more meaningful. By default, it's going to be SVE _ and then the date timestamp. Go ahead and click Open. Now it's going to take you right into your Salesforce org where we've just deployed the Visualforce page in the Apex controller. And this is the page that we just made in a matter of seconds using the SkyVisualEditor tool. So there's the black banner change at the top, the 3-column view, the tabs in the center of the screen, and the red banner down at the bottom. All of this in a matter of moments using SkyVisualEditor. Thanks for watching.